Rowe Dental Laboratory. Here at Rowe, we have a mantra of meet you where you are. And what that means in the fixed full arch world is we want to help you no matter where you are on the journey, from scanning and digital integration to 3D printing, or even the offices that are milling in-house. Now, you've done a great job of integrating all this equipment, and it makes things a lot easier for you because now you can just put a new puck in the mill and mill that prosthesis out. A lot faster to get that final back into that patient's mouth. I'm sure you're keeping track of every time something doesn't mill correctly, or especially every time something breaks. You have a fixed full arch that you see in the patient's mouth and they come back, they give a call and something has broke. And then you have to re-mill that file. If you are seeing breakages with your fixed full arch, we have a great solution for you that may help. Now, with the mill comes a lot of upkeep. You want to make sure that it is calibrated, of course, and then the tooling. You got to make sure the tooling is replaced usually before you're supposed to, but at least at the time you're supposed to. But it's kind of like oil changes. Maybe you're supposed to do it every 3,000 to 5,000 miles in your car, but you decided, I can go a little bit longer. Nothing's going to happen to the car. Well, same thing with the tooling. I mean, you got to keep up on it, but there's a lot of things that can go into milling a final that could lead to potential passivity problems. Of course, it comes out of the mill, then it's got a green state, center, finish, stain glaze, all that fun stuff. There's a lot of different things during those processes. The solution we have for that is our Passivity Plus coping. Now, the way this works is you'll still do your same workflow in office. You'll have your photogrammetry or grammetry, your design done, it goes into the mill, that's all the same. Once it comes out and is finished, you take the Passivity Plus coping and you seat it model free. So you cement that model free. The way the coping works is as you screw that down onto the multi-unit abutment, it self-adjusts into the most passive position across the arch. So your data workflow is the same. Just that final seating of that final prosthesis is where this really helps out, because now as it's seating across the arch, it's in the most passive position. We love working with offices that are vertically integrated. We want to meet you where you are and help solve any kind of problems you have with the entire process. And the Passivity Plus coping is just another solution for you. If you have any questions on the Passivity Plus and how to order them from us, please give us a call here at Rowe. We also have a great Passivity Plus section on our website going into detail how this works, and then you can order it from our shop online. We look forward to meeting you where you are and integrating Passivity Plus into your practice. Thank you.